Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can permanently stop the spam emails on your Android phone. So at the start, open the Gmail app, and if you see the spam emails here, it's not filtered and that emails that should be in the spam folder, just tap on it and click on this three-dot icon. Now choose report the spam, or just click here on this three-dot icon next to email and choose block desired account. And after that, all of the mails from this address will be forwarding to the spam folder in your email. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.